guys, welcome back to Hello RC. This is Jason, and today I've got the Axial CJ7 out here at Crawler County, which is our backyard crawler course here at the channel, and I put a set of JCONCEPTS holds on it. I tried these tires out a few days ago at Oaks Quarry Park, and they performed really well. But before I get started here in this video, we're going to do a little giveaway, because these tires right here have our own 3D printed inserts in them, these purple soft inserts, and we're going to give a set of these away today. So I will give you the details of how to win a set of these foams here in a couple minutes after we start this run. But let's go ahead and get started here, because I can't wait to drive this thing. Go right past my tire foam here, and this is the newly named Duck Pass from one of our viewers. But yeah, these tires at the rock quarry were just absolutely amazing. You know, over the stock Axial tires, they were night and day difference. So we'll see how they perform here today in a little bit of dirt. And it is getting ready to rain here, so I have to get this run in fairly quickly before it starts coming down. But looks good out here. Really like this CJ7 so far. It does need a few things, but what an awesome truck Axial has made with this one. Probably will give it a fusion at some point. Give it a infusion. But right now, it's getting the job done. And these foams really do perform really well in these tires. Ever since day one, this is like the perfect tire insert combination for this truck, and really any truck I've had these on. See if I can get the holds to hold. And there they go. All right, awesome. Piece of cake. These are Endura bead blocks as well, and they look really good on this truck. I really like the gray spokes on these. But on to the tire giveaway, or not the tire giveaway, but the insert giveaway. When we were crawling the other day at Oaks Quarry, Liz came across a crawler that somebody had there. Crawler, trail truck, whatever you want to call it. But it is a bigger scale than a 10th scale. And to win the foams, we're going to give you 2 guesses in the comments to guess what it is. She instantly got in the car after we were done and placed an order for this new truck. So you'll be seeing it here fairly quickly. We're going to end this contest Friday afternoon. That'll be the 26th of April, 2024. But you do have to be a subscriber and leave a comment with your 2 guesses. And like I said, the only clue I'm going to give is it is larger than a 10th scale. And she fell in love with it instantly. But good luck to all of you, and we'll see what you come up with. Hopefully I don't get too many raindrops on my lens here. I might have to pause here and wipe it down here in a minute, but so far, at least what I see on the camera looks pretty good. Yeah, just absolutely love these tires. And you really, I know a lot of people would think that these look more like a mud train or something like that, but they grip the rocks incredibly. They named them properly, the hold. The rain's starting to pick up here a little bit. You can see got a lot of drops on the CJ7. Looks really good. It's in its element out here. See if we can get a tire to grab on there. Ooh. Yeah, these 100mm shocks, it's got a lot of body roll. Somehow we need to settle that down a little bit. The ride height doesn't bother me, but just that instant body roll is a little hard to deal with. Yeah, like that. I think it's standing up, but I think it's going to drop down here. Yep, there it goes. Come on. If we can get that back tire there to bite in, it's going to sit right down. Perfect. Did I mention this has straight axles? There we go. See if we can get the holds to do some more holding here. Take a little different line through here. There we go. I tried this the other day with stock tires and it had no chance at all. So let's see if this has made any difference. But before I do, I'm gonna clean my lens again real quick. Okay, here we go. Not at the best angle here out of the gate, but straighten that up there a little bit. Got a little bit of grip there. The weight bias was a little bit of the issue too, not just all tires. And I'm still hoping we can find a line here to get up on this. I do not want to break my do not tip it rule. It's wanting to bite there, but I just don't have enough forward weight to grab onto that rock there. So still can't get that. Go around here to Mount Miles, check it out. Last run I went across these new logs here. Today I'm going to take Danger Pass. And all it is just a little V-shaped groove here. But if you don't get it lined up, you'll get all bound up in here, and your steering servo will not be having fun. But looks like the CJ7 is going to make it through without too much trouble. This is pretty steep right in here. And you got to get up and around this point. Hitting the sliders there. There we go. I just had to get the right momentum there to get up and through there. But really, I just love all the protection that this body has with the hard molded plastic, and these sliders really capture the body real nicely on the side. It's got a little step bar that kind of protects it. So really cool. See that hole there. Bring it around here. No. Okay, I'm okay with a little soft roll like that. That's not going to hurt anything. Here. And this is a really, actually I'm going to have to change my angle on this. I'm going to have to angle back into it. See some nice compression with that front tire. All we gotta do is get this rear tire to grab. And there it is. Only Liz could have drove that any better. But now I'm in a real pickle here because I gotta somehow transition up onto this top rock. Okay. Got that. Got that one up. Come on, tire, grab. There we go. That was awesome. All right, I'm going to go ahead and get down and get in front of this thing. Okay, here we are. This shouldn't be too difficult right here. Should stay fairly level coming down. This thing really looks like a real Jeep out on the trail. It's just awesome looking RC car. Just imagine what it would do with a Fusion in it. turn around this way. There we go. Uh-oh. That was an awesome run. I hope you guys enjoyed that. And tires and inserts mean everything on one of these trucks. So be sure you get your 2 guesses and good luck. Like I said, it'll end this Friday, which is the 26th, I believe. And we'll get them sent out to you as soon as we can. We have a winner. So thanks for watching and see you later.